Today I'm going to give you a tour of my Canadian Pacific number 8840 locomotive that I made. This was one of my earliest locomotives. It's made out of aircraft aluminum and motorized wheel sets that I purchased from Lawn Tracks, each having a 24-volt motor in them, and all 8 wheels are powered. That being said, I only run this on 12 volts because I don't need the maximum performance out of this locomotive. It still pulls a fair amount of weight and passengers around. This locomotive comes apart very easy for travel. There are 2 bolts holding one for each wheel set on. The back piece here slides off if you take this out, and the seat just sits inside a track. This locomotive has traveled quite a bit to many railroads around here and even to Train Mountain, and has made it almost on all of the track at Train Mountain. If you look up in front of the nose, far up there's a speaker for the sound effects chip, 12-volt RV battery, fuse panel is there. And if you look on top, we have the hand controller, the sound effects control here for power, horn, all aboard sound, and bell. We have voltage, air horn, master power, amp meter, hours meter, and manual bell. We have a flashing light on the top, side lights, and a headlight. This looks really good at night and you can see quite a bit. You can see the air horns with socks on them to make them not as loud. The fake plastic fuel tank in the bottom, and lights on the back. I have windows where you can insert photographs of whoever you want to be in driving this locomotive. To start this locomotive, just turn the master on and it can go forward and backwards. This is a pretty low speed. And then with the sound effects on, the sound effects chip is from MyLoco Sound. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.